Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to sell your Squarespace products directly on Facebook and maybe IG as well, setting up Facebook Commerce is the way to go. So in today's small tutorial, I'll show you how to add Facebook Commerce in Squarespace in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, make sure your device is fully connected to the internet to go all the way and look for Squarespace. As for now, open the website, then go use your email address and password to log in. We're gonna go now and look for the products settings. So we're gonna go to products here. Make sure your products are truly visible and active. Now we're gonna go to settings, such availability, multiple options here. We have all of these options. We're gonna go and look for the marketing here. Then we're gonna go to Meta Pixel and ad. Here you can set up your Meta Pixel and ads. As for now, third-party tools, connect account. Then go all the way and select Facebook. Log in to your Facebook account using your email address and password again. Allow the access, then choose your product catalog. Assign business page and IG. Select the Facebook page linked to your shop, then submit for review. Facebook will review your store. Setup, then maybe they will approve sending you an email or a message on your account, and that's how you would know that you are live. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.